my name is Marika. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. I am not gonna do a try on box today because I just did my makeup and I figured I would show you guys what I got from my Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and get started. I actually opened it up already and this box is empty and I have all of the products laid out in front of me. So I don't know if they have a theme. Oh, it says alter ego. There you go. That is the theme. Perfect for Halloween because it's like black and white. So you get this card right here and it shows you everything that you get in your box, and this box is $21 and most of the items that you get are over $100. So yeah, they do have the Boxy Luxe edition, which is you get it for 3 months. Unfortunately, I did not get into their mailing list. I was too late for it, but that's okay. I still have you, Boxycharm. So anyways, the first thing I got is the Dermovia Lace, a peel, black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. And this retails for $30. Okay, that is really expensive for this mask. And that one is a full size, so everything you get in here is pretty much a full size. So the next one is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. And I believe this is for your hair. I'm not into like hair care at all, so I might have to give that away. Retails for $16, so not bad, but the bottle is really small. The next thing I got is the It Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara from It Cosmetics. Ooh, I love getting mascara. And this retails for $24. The fourth thing that I got in here, just dropped it, is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. How many times do I have to make a mistake in each of them saying their titles or whatever? Anyway, so this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I was so excited to get one of these because I love her liquid lipstick, but I think I already have Bow and Arrow. I'm not sure. Let me just go find it real quick. See? Yes, I do have Bow and Arrow already. So I might just have to give this away, but I don't know who to give it to. Maybe I'll just stash it for like a future giveaway or something, because I don't have any makeup friends here in Indiana, so I don't really know who to give this to. Yeah. The last thing that we get in this box is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, which is really perfect for Halloween. I just did my nails. I kind of don't want to just rip these off. Okay, tweezer. Ooh, it's really pretty, you guys. I love the packaging. It's super nice. So you pretty much get eyeshadows, 6 bold eyeshadows, and then you get a blush palette on the left. Really pretty. I think it's a blush and blushes and a highlight. So yeah, and I really like it. I'm excited to try these. I don't know about the eyeshadows though, maybe the blushes, since I'm not into bold looks lately, but I will give this a try. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on this. Anyways guys, that is all what I got from my Boxycharm this month. I'm really excited in almost all of them besides the liquid lipstick, which I was really excited on getting one, but it wasn't the color that I really wanted, but that's okay. I have a lot of different liquid lipsticks anyways. So there you go. Anyways, if you liked what you got from your Boxycharm, please leave the comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite item from your Boxycharm if you have one, and if you don't, go ahead and put yourself in the mailing list, because Boxycharm is really, really amazing. So anyways, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!